Hi guys, and welcome to Excited for Coupons. Today I'm going to share with you a quick haul that I did Saturday night since it was early activation. And as you can see, there were some pills that we did get that we really needed, but this was the best time for us to get it and we didn't pay much for it. So let me just get started and show you the items that I did get. Since I have the CVS coupon deducting 4 when you spend 18 on hair items, what I did was I purchased 5 of the L'Oreal, making it a total of $20.25. I used 2 coupons deducting 4 each and 1 coupon deducting 2 plus that CVS coupon deducting 4. So I paid $6.25, but I got back 5 ECB at the end of my receipt, making this a total of $1.25 or just 25 cents each item. For the Sun Eyes, I had calculated $4.19, but when I went to the store, they were $4.99. So instead of getting the lotion, I got 3 of the body wash for $4.99 each. So I bought 3 of those. There is no coupon. The only one that I had was the CVS deducting 2 of 6, any body wash. So I was able to give that coupon. So my total came out to $12.97. That's how much I paid out of pocket. But then at the end of my receipt, I got 10 ECB, and right in the store, I submitted my receipt to checkout 51, and I got $3 cash back, making this 3 body wash and eyes item all free. We needed to get specific vitamins, and I think this was a good time for us to get them. And also, last time we used at the end of our receipt, we received ECB deducting a coupon deducting 3 off 15 any vitamins. So what we did was that we purchased 2. So our total came out to $26.23. You just need to buy 2 if you really want to take advantage of this deal, but these are the ones that we really needed. After that coupon deducting 3, we paid $22.98, but at the end of our receipt, we got 10 ECB, making it $9.98 or just $4.99 for each item. In addition, we also wanted to do the Maybelline deal since I still had some CVS coupon. So what we did was we purchased one of the eye makeup, which is a brow pencil, and the concealer. So that total for everything came out to $15.28, but we were able to use a few coupons. We only had 1 for the face. It deducted $1. I had 1 for CVS deducting 3, which was a CVS coupon for any Maybelline, and 1 that deducted 4 when you spend 14 in cosmetics. So our total came out after coupons to $7.28. After we got back the 5 cash back, the 5 ECB, our total came out to $2.28 for both items. We also did the Hershey's pretzels, the gold candy, and we were able to use 2 coupons deducting $1 off each, and also a CVS coupon that printed last Sunday. So that one came out to a total of $2 for everything after we received the ECB. As you can see, our total would have been $86.22. After coupons used and the cash back, it was $15.48, but we used $9 worth of beauty rewards. That means we paid way out of pocket. That was free ECB that we got for earning ECB for buying beauty products. So for a trip that was $86 worth, yes, I just can't believe that is 86 of all the few items you see in the picture. The actual total after everything was deducted was just $6.48. So as you can see, it's really worth couponing and following deals, and I hope this video helped you achieve that. So I hope you was able to enjoy this video, and if you did, I invite you to give it a thumbs up, a like, and if you haven't done so, I invite you to subscribe to my channel and share this video to help others save as much as they can. So thank you so much for watching, and happy savings. Bye.